Welcome to Sparkwork. In this training video we will get to know how to add a user to your company. Firstly, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Users. Now here on the left side you will see all of your created units and subunits. You can select wherever you want to add a new user. For example, I am selecting Area A, as I want to add a new user in Area A. Then simply click on Add User. Now enter first name and last name of the user you want to add. Here you will see two options, ID and email. If you want to give your user a unique ID, then you can enter ID here. I am entering user's email ID. Now here you can select role you want to give to the user, either learner, author or admin. All three roles have different authorities. I am selecting learner here. Now last step, give your user a password. If you select auto-generate password, a system-generated password will be automatically sent to the user's email you entered above, or you can create password for the user yourself by entering the password here. I am creating a password for my user by myself. Now click on Add User. That's it. User is created now. If you reload, you can check the new user I created showing here in the list. If you want to import multiple users at a time, we also have a bulk upload feature from Google Workspace or Azure. Please check that video too. Training for adding a new user is completed now. We hope this video has been helpful to you.